If you are interested in learning how to make this glitter ombre cheetah tumbler, keep watching. I started with a sanded spray painted 20-ounce skinny tumbler from the Stainless Depot. I spray painted the tumbler with a coral and gold spray paint. I have went on and mixed my epoxy, 5 ml total, and I am placing a thin amount on my tumbler because I'm using it as an adhesive for the glitter. I did not use the entire epoxy. Now I am taking my coral glitter from Recollections and placing it on the top part of my tumbler and dumping any excess on my sketch paper. I make sure I get the rim really good. I also repeat the same process for the copper glitter. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave a comment. Also check out the description box below for the list of supplies I used in this tutorial. Once I am finished placing the glitter on the tumbler, I sit it on my cut turner to let it dry for a few hours. What you do not see on camera is that after a few hours, I take my Krylon crystal clear acrylic coating and spray the tumbler to seal the glitter so it won't move. When I put a coat of epoxy over it, I let this dry for about an hour. Now I am mixing some more epoxy, equal parts of part A and part B. I used about 10 ml of each, and I will be placing it over the tumbler. Then I take my heat gun to go over the cup to pop any bubbles. Once I'm done, I let it spin on the turner for about 4 hours, and then I turn it off and let it sit for about 4 hours. While the cup is spinning, I'm going into Silhouette Studio to get my designs ready for the cup. I found an image off Google for a cheetah print, and I'm going to take my trace tool and trace this image. Since I was pretty sure that I would be making some more tumblers with this particular style, I filled up the space with the pattern so I can use it for later use. Before I place the design on my tumbler, I sand it down to get rid of any rough spots that may have appeared from the glitter and the epoxy. When I place a design on the cup, I make sure that the edges are all pressed down because I don't want any epoxy to seep through after this step. Now it is time to epoxy again. I am using a total of 20 ml and rubbing it on the entire cup. Then I take my heat gun again, try to pop any bubbles from the tumbler. I let that spin for about 4 hours and continue to dry for about another 4 hours. Now that the tumbler is dry, I'm going to clean up the inside of the tumbler and the rim of it. I'm going to take some acetone to clean out any spray paint from the inside. Now I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and very carefully scrape the rim and the inside of the tumbler to make sure I get rid of any extra epoxy. Make sure not to let the X-Acto knife slip to where it could cut through the glitter and the epoxy on the tumbler or even on you. Here is the finished product. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any ideas of what you want to see next, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.